since the beginning. I open my heart to give and receive love within myself, with others, and with every universe. I forgive, I smile, I let go, I choose harmony, I choose bliss. I am safe in love's kiss.